friends, welcome back to another video on algebra. Today I thought let's get introduced to two main people in algebra, expressions versus equations. If you are looking forward to learn algebra, the first thing you need to know is the difference between expressions and equations. So let's try to understand what are expressions and what are equations with simple examples. Expressions are mere numbers and variables added or subtracted together, or you can use any other operations. So I hope you remember the basic terms of variables, constants and other terms. If you want to refer, you can refer my previous videos. Today we'll just focus more on expressions and equations alone. So expressions, as I said earlier, you might be having certain variables. For example, let's take the most common variable x, and I can add or subtract or divide or multiply. I can do any mathematical operation with any normal constant or number. For example, let me just add a 5 here, x plus 5, and this is an expression. I have an unknown number x and I am adding a 5 to it. So here x is an unknown variable which can take any value. So if you want to think x as 10, then your value is 10 plus 5, 15. If I am thinking x as 2, then my value is 2 plus 5, 7. So basically here this x can have any value according to our wish. And this is what an expression means. Now coming to equations. Equations are little different. Equations have a very special guest with them. Let me write the same expression, x plus 5. And now I am not going to stop there. I am going to introduce our special guest, that is a equal to symbol. And I am going to put a value 7. There. This is the basic difference of expressions and equations. Expressions never have an equal to symbol in them, but equations always have this important guy over here. And because of this guy, I cannot say that x will have any value. No, x has a fixed value. Then only the equation becomes true. X plus 5 equal to 7 actually correctly gives us an answer that x is equal to 2, and in this case x can have no other values other than 2. But in the first case, as I said, x can be 10, x can be 2, x can be 8, x can be any value according to your wish. But in the second case, that is in the equation, x can only be 2 according to the equation. And this is the basic difference between expressions and equations. So once again, if I summarize the two basic differences, expressions does not have an equal to symbol, while equations do have an equal to symbol. And the second difference, expressions, the value of variable can be any number, whereas in equations, the value of variable will always be a fixed value, and that is the answer or solution for the equation. So I hope that difference is clear. So let's see in another video. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.